Number 13. Nail tips exert tremendous pressures when they are hit by hammers because they exert a large force over a small area. What force must be exerted on a nail with a circular tip of 1 millimeter diameter to create a pressure of 3 times 10 to the 9 Newton per meter squared? This high pressure is possible. Okay. So, so we have to calculate force, all right, and we are given basically something to calculate area with, right? And they also tell us pressure. So I know I'm going to be using this formula, all right? That the pressure is equal to the force divided by the area over which that force is applied. So to solve this for force, it's simple, just cross multiply basically. So it's equal to, the force is equal to pressure multiplied by the area. Now we know the pressure, they gave it to us, it has the right units here, Newton per meter squared. And all I need to do now is find the area of this nail. And it says the tip is circular, right? So it's a circle tip. So you got to think about area and circle. How are they connected? Well, easy. The area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. All right. But look what they did, these silly guys, right? They gave us the diameter and they also gave it to us in millimeters. All right. No big deal, right? So we know that we can do a bunch of substitutions here. All right, but why don't we do this? So we know we're going to have to take the 1 millimeter diameter divided by 2. So we know the radius is going to be 0.5 millimeters, right? And then, though, we need this in terms of meters. So we can just take this value, move the decimal 3 places to the left, or you can just plug in a times 10 to the minus 3 value on it, and that works just as well. And that's now in terms of meters, okay? So we do know the radius now with the appropriate unit. So what I'm going to do is just plug in now this formula into here, right? So it's pressure multiplied now by the area, which is pi r squared, and I know everything now. So the pressure is going to be 3.00 times 10 to the 9th, multiplied then by pi times our radius, which is 0.5 times 10 to the minus 3. And that whole thing is squared. And then we just got to throw it on into the calculator. Just throw it on in. So this is 3 times 10 to the 9 times pi times 0.5 times 10 to the minus 3. And that thing is squared. So we get a value of 2.36. Hopefully we're dealing with sig 3. Yeah, about 3 sig figs should be good. So times 10 raised to the 3, and that's in terms of newtons. All right, so that's going to be the force. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope this helped. Please remember to subscribe. Until next time.